Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry, Dental College, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal has won the first prize in the National World Oral Health Day 2026 celebrations contest. The contest was organized by the Indian Society of Periodontics and Preventive Dentistry. According to a press release issued by RIMS Media Cell, this prestigious national recognition marks a 3-year streak of steady improvement. The department rose from the first consolation prize in 2024 to the second prize in 2025 and finally the top spot in 2026. The award honors the department's commitment to community-based oral health care. This was achieved through extensive school health programs, training for teachers and ASHA workers, and widespread public awareness campaigns. Led by Associate Professor and Head Dr. Vairokpam Bhumika, this milestone reflects the teamwork of the faculty, students and staff. The department also acknowledged the valuable guidance of RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Medical Superintendent Professor Nepram Sanjeev Singh, and Dental College Principal Professor B. Praveen Reddy. The release aided that this national achievement establishes a new benchmark for pediatric oral health promotion, bringing immense pride to RIMS, the state of Manipur and the country.